Hello friends, Running Kimono here, and this is day one of the Dollar General clearance event. I'm going to say of all the clearance events, this is our fourth one this year, and this one I think a lot of people are just not interested. I think because they've put so many so close to each other, and I don't fully understand that. But we had a glitch. Hopefully it's still working. I'm going to explain that. I actually found some penny items, which is weird because I'm a very bad penny shopper. And then a whole mess of meat and potatoes goods we're going to dive into. But we're going to start off with the spaghetti. Okay guys, so in case you missed it, I made a video dedicated to this clearance event. I'll link it at the very end. Please check it out. I get into everything, how to figure out an updated store, non-updated, and I show a little bit more like intel behind the scenes, that sort of a thing, on how to have a lot of success with this event. The more prep work that you put into this, the more of a cakewalk it is. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about is the penny pasta. And the last time I did it was around noontime, and it worked for me at 3 different stores. And no, I didn't clear stores. I did get quite a bit. I thought this would make a fabulous donation item. A lot of churches around here do spaghetti dinners for cancer fundraisers, or if somebody's down on their luck. So I thought this would make a really good donation item, and it's going to be in stock, I think, or it's not going to expire until next year sometime. So we're looking for the family size spaghetti, the 2-pounders that are tagged with the orange tag, or there might be another tag to it. And as you look at the very top right or top left hand side, it says 2-pound family size. Only these specific ones. Please pay attention. The devil is in the details. And if somebody cleared your store, unfortunately, I'm sorry guys, it's the way it goes. Here are the UPCs, and I'd like to give a very big shout out and thank you to Bargain Busters over on Instagram. This is in fact her deal. We were talking about this first thing this morning, and then she went and tested it, and she's like, hey, try this at your store, and then I tried it, and then we just knew it was a deal. But these are the UPCs for both the macaroni and the spaghetti, if you want to scan it in the app and see what your store has before you drive out there. But I would do this ASAP because they're definitely going to pull it, but it's been going on for many hours. Maybe in the comments down below, let us know what's going on. So you scan them at self-checkout only. The 2 boxes, you have to buy them in sets of 2. It's on a buy 2, save 2. And the glitch is that it's making them a penny each. And buy them in sets of 2, and good luck with this one, and let us know how you're faring in the comments. And it's got to be that specific one as stated. And then I did it at multiple stores. Look on the sky shelves, look high and low for this spaghetti. It's all over the place. But yeah, a really good donation item too, because it doesn't expire for a year and it's a non-perishable good. And most churches, especially around me, they're always looking for spaghetti. Now, by luck and chance, I found these K-Cups that are exactly a penny. They were part of last Tuesday's penny list, and I'm an awful penny shopper, but I found 5 in a clearance section. I was so delighted with that. So just to show you the UPC, definitely look for this coffee if you're out and about. You never know what you might find. Now, this is one product I am shocked I found so many of them. We have this generous $4 digital coupon. At updated stores, it's just going to be a free item. At non-updated stores, it's free plus 93 cents of overage, and you're going to need something to grab your overage. But it's both the age and the moisture. I mean, I found 5, and then I found another store, another 5, and I was like, wow, I wish I had more store cards. Here are the UPCs. What a great deal. And the one that says age, part of it leaked because I was trying to screw on the cap a little tighter today. And I smelt it and I was like, oh my God, this smells really amazing. It's a beautiful body wash. Also have this little car plug by FREEBIES. It's this Unstoppable. We have a 230 digital, so it either makes it a little bit of overage or just a free item, depending if you're at an updated or non-updated store. Sorry, this is an out of focus mess. My phone sucks. So there it is, but delighted to get a free item. I found these double packs making it 17 cents with the $2.30 digital. I didn't find the singles, so I don't know where they all went. And one of them actually was shattered that I found, so I just left it at the store because even for 17 cents, I'm just going to leave it there. And then I found some Lysol wipes for 57 cents. We never get these disinfectant wipes after the pandemic for that cost, so 57 cents is fully where it's at. this is an interesting one. You're going to grab them in a set of 2. Here's the UPC if you want to scan this. Most stores had a lot of these as well. So grabbing 2 of them, it's going to be $3.15. We have $1 off 2 digital. You're going to pay $2.15. And then $1 back with IBOTTA and Dollar General. So the dollar will appear on your account. So it makes it $1.15 for the 2 or 57 cents per. Not bad. This is probably my favorite, the Swiffer XL. So basically the pad is twice the size for Swiffering your floor. So you can clean your floor in half the time. So this is a very good deal where they are $8.32 for one. We have a $3 digital, so it makes it $5.32. A couple items that we're giving over non-updated stores, I threw against this to pay a little bit less. So for a couple of these, I paid like $3 or $4 for almost a $20 item, so I'm fine with that. I was absolutely delighted to find a couple of these Caress for $1.95 on clearance. We have a $1 digital coupon, dropping this guy down to 95 cents. And I don't know if this is a new clearance item or what the story is, but they were at a lot of stores, and I couldn't remember if I had it loaded, yes or no. I certainly want to go back and look for more of these. And then we have the Bic Click. I found one of these. So at an updated store, it's a free item with a $3 digital, or free and 50 cents of overage at a non-updated store. I was happy to find one. I wish I could have found a couple more, but such is life. And here is the barcode for this guy. We have the Mr. Clean Sheets, and I think this is a discontinued product. We have a 50-cent digital, dropping this guy down to 70 cents. On clearance, it is a $1.20. It's been in the last many clearance events, but today, I don't know if there was a whole case in the back and they just brought it out, but here it is. Very happy to get this guy for 70 cents. And then this elusive one by Mr. Clean, it's one of these Clean Freaks in the lavender scent specifically. We have a $2 digital, making this product at $2.70 down to $2. Has to be the lavender one. And here is the UPC. I was shocked to find one. It was the last store I went to. I tracked one down and I was like, wow, how fancy is that? My mother-in-law is going to love it. And then this Scrubbing Bubbles disinfectant for $1.05. A couple of the deals that I did, I had a little bit of overage, and I'm like, I'm just going to pick up 2 of these. Why not? And we have the UPC here. So, I mean, this is an older item, but if you track it down, $1.05, not a bad price point. And this was giving overage for me. It's either going to be a freebie if you have an updated store, or $1 of overage with that 3 off 2. It's the $1 toothbrushes found in the regular dental care aisle. So for a lot of those Swiffer XLs, I was throwing this in to get an extra $1 off. And I think I got like 8 of them today, so that was really great. I used 5 store cards, and I'm very delighted with my haul. It was just really fantastic. My biggest out expense was my Swiffer XLs, but those spaghettis, I mean, it was quite the adrenaline rush. In the comments down below, please share what you're finding and your luck with spaghetti. Is it working? Yes or no? Please share. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.